Hello, good morning, students. In yesterday class, we discussed about the chapters volume and surface area, and we discussed about two shape, that is cuboid and cube. We discussed about cuboid and cube. Okay, and we solved some questions based on cuboid and cube. Let's see once more time the formula of cube and cuboid. You know that in previous class we discussed about the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, okay, and total surface area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into L, and we discussed about the lateral surface area of the cuboid is what, 2 into length plus breadth into H, okay, and we also discussed the diagonal of cuboid, and the diagonal of cuboid is L square plus B square plus H square. These are the formula which discussed in previous class, okay, and we also solved questions based on this formula, and we discuss also the formula of cube. What is cube? The cube is the special type of the cuboid in which all sides, that is length, breadth and height, are equal to each other. Then it is called a cube. And in the case of cube, the volume of cube is a cube, that is side cube. Here A is the side of cube. So the volume of cube is side A cube, and the total surface area of cube is 6 into side square, okay. Lateral surface area of cube into 4 into side square, and the diagonal of cube is what, 3 into side square, that is root 3 into side. These are the formula for cube, okay. Now today we take and solve some questions, some important questions based on cuboid and cube, okay. Let's see. We take a question which is very important question, okay. 3 cubes each of side, 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end, okay. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end, okay. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid, okay. This is your question, and let's see one more time this question. 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end, okay. Find surface area of the resulting cuboid, okay. This is one of the most important questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see its solution. Here, let's see, here 3 cube na, 3 cube are joined end to end, each of side 5 centimeter, okay. Let's see. If 3 cube each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end, then total length of the cuboid is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15, but the breadth and height of the resulting cuboid will be same, okay. Now let's see, when when three cube are joined end to end, okay, are joined end to end, then height, the breadth and the height will be same, but its length is increased, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 centimeter. Let's see. Then length of resulting cuboid, length of resulting cuboid is what? 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, breadth of resulting cuboid, breadth and height will be same, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, now what we find? We find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so surface area of cuboid is what? 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the formula for surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so we get what? 2 into length into breadth. Length is 15, breadth is 5 na? Yes, 5 plus breadth into height, that is 5 into 5 plus h into L, that is 5 into 15. So we have 75. So 2 into 150 plus 25, that is 2 into 150 plus 25, that is 175. Okay, and the resulting answer is 350 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, let's see once more time. Here our question is three cube each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Okay, and we find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. First of all, if we arrange all 3 cubes end to end, then the total length of the resulting cuboid is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 centimeter, and the height and the breadth will be same in this case. Now in this way, L is 15 and breadth and height will be same. So we use the formula surface area of the cuboid at this, and after solving it we get our result, that is 350 centimeter square. Okay, so dear students, in this way you can solve these type of questions. Okay, now we take some other question based on cuboid and cube. Let's see. Let's see the next question. The floor of rectangular hall has a perimeter. The floor of, next question is the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Has a perimeter 250 meter. Okay, its height is 6 meter. Sorry, 250 meter. Okay, if the cost of painting, okay, if the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of 10 per meter square, 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Is rupees 15,000. Okay. Find the height of the hall. Find the height of the hall. This is one of the most important questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see here. A rectangular floor, okay, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter, only floor, okay. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 per meter square is 15,000 meter, find the height of the hall, okay. Let's see its solution. Let h be the height of the rectangular hall, okay. Let h be the height of the rectangular hall, okay. Then area of 4 walls. Let's see, area of 4 walls of the, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height. This is the formula for 4 walls now. 2 into length plus breadth into height. And let's see here, 2 into length plus breadth is what? This is the perimeter of the rectangular hall. This is the perimeter of the rectangular hall, okay. Or this formula we can write perimeter of hall into height h, okay. And according to question, the perimeter is what? 250. So that is, we put here 250 into h, meter square. Take equation number 1, okay. This is the area of 4 walls according to formula 2 into L plus B into height. Here 2 into L plus B, this is the perimeter of the rectangular hall, and according to question it is given, that is 250 meter, and we suppose that h be the height of the hall, which we find here. Now let's see, one important formula is also, remember always, that is cost is equal to rupees per meter square into area, rupees per meter square into area of the any geometrical figure. So here let's see, cost is what? 100 rupees per meter square, na? Let's see, then area is equal to what? Then area is equal to cost upon rupees per meter square, cost upon rupees per meter square, okay. Now let's see, here first of all we find the, here take equation number 2, okay. Now using 1 and 2, this is also the area of 4 wall and this is also area, okay. Then from using equation 1 and 2 we get what? Here area is 250 into h is equal to, that is cost upon rupees per meter square, cost upon rupees per meter square, okay. And according to statement here, cost is what? 15,000. Cost is what? 15,000 na? Okay, let's see. that is 250 into h is equal to 15,000 upon per meter square, that is 10. Here 10 na, then what I get, that is h is equal to 15,000 upon 2500. Okay, now let's see, 2020 cancel to each other, that is 150 upon 25 and 25 6 are 150, 25 6 are 150. So here the required height of the rectangular hall is 6 meter or centimeter, जो भी, h is equal to 6 meter. Thus the required height is 6 meter. This is your answer. Okay, so dear students, in this way we solve that type of questions in this way. Now we take some other question, some very important questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see once more question. The question is, each edge of a cube is increased by 50 centimeter. Increased by 50 centimeter. Find the percentage increase. Find the percentage increase in the surface area of the cube. In the surface area of the cube. This is a very important question of your exercise. Let's see once more time. Each edge of a cube is increased by 50 centimeter. And your question is, find the percentage increase in surface area of the cube. Okay, let's see. First of all, let us consider A be the initial edge. Initially, let A be the edge of the cube. Okay, let us consider A be the edge of the cube. Okay, then its original surface area. Then its original surface area is what? 6 into side square, that is 6a square. Okay, this is the initial surface area of the cube. Initially, first of all, we take A be the edge of the cube. Okay, then its original surface area is 6a square. Okay, now according to question, its edge is its edge increased by 50 centimeter. Okay, let's see. Now when its edge is increased by 50 centimeter. Okay, then new edge will be what? A into 100 plus 50 upon 100. because of its edge increased by 50 centimeter na. So new edge will be a into 100 plus 50 upon 100. Okay, then a into 150 upon 100, then what I get, let's see, 110 0 cancel to each other, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, that is 3a upon 2. This is the new edge of the cube, that is we say a dash. Let a dash be the new edge of the cube when its edge increased by 50 centimeter. Now its surface area is also changed. Now its new surface area will be, now its new surface area will be what? 6 into side square, that is 6 into what is its a side, that is a 3 upon 2 square. Then what I get? Then its new surface area will be 6 into सवार है ना 3a upon 2 square. ठीक है, कितना हुआ? Then I get 6 into 3 3 is 9 into a square upon 2 2 is 4. Okay, 6 into 9a square upon 4. Then what I get? 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, that is 3 9 is 27, 27 a square upon 2. This is the new surface area of the cube. Now we find the increase in surface area na. Okay, now what is the change of its surface area? Now let's see. Now change in surface area is equal to what? Final surface area minus initial surface area, that is 27a square by 27a square by 2 minus 6a square. Okay, now I get, let's see, 12 take as LCM, then 27a square minus 12a square, then what I get? 15a square by 2, 15a square by 2. Now, so percentage increase in surface area, so percentage increase in surface area is equal to what? Change in surface area upon initial surface area into 100, that is 15a square upon 2 upon original surface area 6a square into 100. Okay, now let's see, a square cancel to each other, then 15 into 100 upon 2 into 6. Now let's see, 50, 2 3s are 6, 25, 3 5s are 15, and 25 5s are 125, 125%. This is your final answer. Yes, this is your final answer, that is 125%. Okay, the common concept of increase, percentage increase or decrease in any quantity, change in that quantity upon original quantity into 100. This is the basic concept of to find the percentage increase or percentage decrease in any quantity. The basic concept is change in quantity upon original quantity into 100. Okay, So in this way, first of all we find the initial surface area of the cube, then after that its increase by 50%, then after we find its final edge, that is after increasing of 50%, then I get the final surface area, that is 6 into side square, and the new edge will be we take 3 upon 2 after increasing in length in 50% by 50%, then I get what, 27 upon 2 into side square. Okay, now we find the change in surface area, because of we find the percentage increase in surface area. So first of all we find the change in surface area, that is final surface area minus initial surface area. In this way we get 15a square upon 2. Okay, now for finding the increase in surface area we get what, but the basic concept of that is change in quantity upon original quantity into 100. In this way, after solving it, we get 125%. This is the final answer. Okay. Thank you. Now let's take some other question. Now let us take some other questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Next question. The paint in a certain container is the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint on is sufficient to paint on area and on area equal to 9.375 meter square. Okay, this is your question statement. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Okay, painted out of this container. This is one of the most important question of your container. Okay, in this question the number of bricks is equal to what? Let's see. The paint is in a certain container is sufficient to paint on area equal to this. Okay, means that total surface area is equal to 9.375 of the container meter square, and the dimensions of each bricks is that. Okay, so first we convert in centimeter square, that is we get 9.375 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. Okay, now dimensions of bricks is what? This into this into this, that is length 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, and height of the bricks is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so number of bricks is equal to what? Total surface area of the paint. Okay, so total surface area of paint upon total surface area of each bricks. Total surface area of each bricks. Total surface area of each. Total surface area कितना? Okay, so you put all the values and after solve it you get the your result. Okay, so in this way in next class we solve some questions on of your NCERT exercise. Thank you.